Hi, my name is Ahmet, and today we're going to make sourdough bread. Here are the ingredients: sourdough, salt, flour, and water, and a bowl, and a special spatula for mixing it up. Everything here we already measured, so everything's in perfect shape. So first, add water to the bowl, then the sourdough. Now we're going to mix it until it dissolves. I think that's enough. We need to add the flour in. Now we mix again. We have to mix it very properly for it to come out perfect. We did it properly. We're gonna cover it and wait for 1 hour. See you in 1 hour. 1 hour passed. Now we add the salt. Now we have to mix it like hands. If you don't want to do this with your hands, maybe try asking your parents, because it's going to be really gross. Just like this. Now we have to wait another hour. Now, after 1 hour, we're gonna stretch and fold. But first, we need to make our hands wet. Then we do this.
Stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. Stretch and fold.
Guys, I know I sound cringe, but it's worth it. Now we're gonna leave it for 40 minutes. Second, stretch and fold. Let's make our hands wet again. Now, oh my god, this one gets me. Stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. Stretch. Oh my god, I really have to paste damage. And fold. Stretch and fold. Now we're gonna leave it for another 40 minutes. Bye bye. Third time folding it. As usual, we gotta get my hands wet. Stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. Last one, another 40 minutes. Last fold. I already got my hands wet, so let's just get this straight. Stretch and fold. Stretch, fold. Now we're done. This was the last one, so I'm quite tired of it. Now we're done. And I want to show you a bit of bubbles, like this one right here. You see that? Or like around here somewhere. Right there. Right here. To shape this, I'm gonna need my mom's help. So she's taking the camera. She's gonna do it this time. Now we put it in the fridge for at least 18 hours. So see you in a day. Hi, now is the next day. But for the bread to bake, we put this, a Dutch oven or cast iron, whatever you want to call it, or pot. We put this in the oven at 480 degrees for 30 minutes before we put the bread into the pot. So let's do that.
It's gonna be really hot. It's hot. It's hot, I'm at.
Now we're gonna wait until it's 480 degrees, but it takes at least 30 minutes to do so. So let's wait. Oven is hot enough, but for this part, I'm gonna need my mom's help. So we're switching again. For the bread, we're gonna use the bread lane to score the dough. Let's open it up. Now, put that on parchment paper, and we score the dough now. Bread, whatever. Big cut, yeah, that's a big one. Again, this time I'm gonna need my mom's help because the Dutch oven is very hot. So, I'm gonna do that. Plop it in. Cover the top. With the lid.
20 minutes.
And for 20 minutes, and we put it back in the oven. Now we have to lower the temperature to 430 degrees. And then we need to open the oven, remove the lid, close the oven back up, and then wait for another 20 minutes. But of course, I'm gonna need my mom's help again. Now the bread's ready, but again, I'm gonna need my mom's help. So, look at that. Mwah. Perfecto.